Do you often wake up feeling tired, stiff, or bloated? It could be that chronic inflammation is messing with your energy, your metabolism, and your overall health. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple, step-by-step nighttime routine to help lower that inflammation. And as a special bonus, I'll reveal a powerful 1-cup nighttime drink that will help fight inflammation while you sleep. So, make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on this magical drink that will reduce inflammation for you all night long. I've seen thousands of patients dealing with all sorts of chronic health issues, and the common thread, the underlying problem in so many of these conditions, is inflammation. It's incredibly important to lower this inflammation because it can help you lose weight, boost your energy, clear up brain fog, improve your mood, and even sort out gut issues and bloating. And the best part? You can reduce inflammation completely naturally, without taking any medicines. So let me share this perfect nighttime routine with you, and then, as I promised, at the very end, I'll reveal that bonus 1-cup drink to lower inflammation at night. Your anti-inflammatory nighttime routine. Your nighttime routine actually starts with your dinner. 1. Early and light dinner. First, you need to remember to eat dinner at least 2 hours before you go to bed. Even earlier is better. If you can finish your dinner by 7 p.m., that would be ideal for your body. What you eat for dinner also matters a lot. A light meal will be super helpful. So stay away from processed foods, sugary foods, anything too fried or too spicy, because these all increase inflammation in your body. It's really important to include plenty of vegetables at dinner time. All those colorful vegetables are packed with antioxidants, which support your hormones and help your body work better. So make sure half of your dinner plate is cooked vegetables. After that, it's important to include good quality protein. This could be chicken or fish. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you can rely on lentils, legumes, or nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, almonds, or walnuts. Try to avoid grains for your dinner meals because they can be difficult to digest and might increase inflammation during the night. So, this is the first step. Focus on an anti-inflammatory dinner. 2. Gentle movement. After dinner, the postprandial protocol. Once you've concluded your evening meal, it's time to initiate a crucial, yet often overlooked component of metabolic health: gentle postprandial movement. I strongly recommend dedicating approximately 10 to 15 minutes to this light activity. It is vital to clarify the objective here. We are not advocating for strenuous exercise. Vigorous activity immediately following a meal can divert blood flow away from the digestive tract and towards working muscles, actually hindering digestion. Instead, focus on a short, low-intensity activity such as a leisurely walk. Even circulating slowly around your home, pacing in your yard, or doing light household tasks is perfectly effective. The clinical mechanism, why this works. This gentle movement serves 2 primary physiological functions: optimizing digestion and nutrient absorption. Light activity stimulates the peristaltic action of the digestive tract. This gentle muscular contraction helps move the ingested food and chyme through the stomach and intestines more efficiently. Enhanced transit time prevents sluggish digestion, reduces symptoms of reflux or bloating, and ensures the body can properly break down and absorb all the beneficial macro and micronutrients from your dinner. Blood glucose management. For individuals focused on metabolic health, especially those over 50, this is perhaps the most significant benefit. Walking immediately after eating helps the muscles utilize circulating blood glucose as fuel. This mild uptake of sugar prevents the sharp, undesirable spikes in post-meal blood sugar levels. Consistent control of these glucose peaks is a powerful strategy for improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the long-term risk of type 2 diabetes and chronic inflammation. By implementing this simple 10 to 15-minute routine, You turn the post-dinner period into an active phase of metabolic optimization rather than a passive phase of stagnation. It's a small investment with a major return for both your gut and your cardiovascular system. 3. Digital detox, safeguarding melatonin and sleep quality. The third crucial step for optimizing your evening routine is implementing a strict digital detox. This protocol mandates zero screen time for at least 1 full hour before your intended bedtime. This isn't a recommendation, it's a physiological necessity for high-quality sleep and systemic health. The core reason for this detox lies in the impact of blue light emitted by all modern electronic screens, your smartphone, tablet, laptop, and television. Melatonin suppression. Blue light possesses a short wavelength and high energy, which the human brain interprets as bright daylight. Specialized photoreceptors in your eyes, particularly the intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, IPRGCS, send a signal to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, in the hypothalamus. This signal suppresses the release of melatonin, the hormone your pineal gland produces to regulate your sleep-wake cycle, circadian rhythm. By suppressing melatonin, blue light delays the onset of sleep and reduces your overall sleep efficiency. Disrupted circadian rhythm. Consistent exposure to blue light late at night confuses your body's internal clock. A chronically disrupted circadian rhythm is not only linked to insomnia and poor cognitive function, but also elevates the risk of metabolic issues, weight gain, and cardiovascular stress. The effects of poor sleep cascade throughout the body, significantly impacting your immune system and overall health.
When sleep quality is compromised due to suppressed melatonin, the body produces higher levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Chronic inflammation is a fundamental driver of nearly every age-related disease, including heart disease, neurodegeneration, and chronic pain. By protecting your melatonin release, you are indirectly reducing systemic inflammation. Hormonal chaos. Deep restorative sleep is the period when crucial hormones, like growth hormone, are released for cellular repair. Digital distraction before bed interferes with the ability to reach these deep sleep stages, compromising your body's nightly repair and regeneration processes. To ensure your body prepares naturally for rest, you must switch off all electronic devices 1 full hour before you plan to sleep. Use this hour for relaxing, analog activities such as reading a physical book, journaling, or planning, listening to calming music or a podcast without looking at the screen, light stretching, or meditation. Prioritizing this digital cutoff is a powerful, zero-cost strategy for enhancing restorative sleep and mitigating the inflammatory effects of the modern digital lifestyle. The magical nighttime anti-inflammation drink. And then, about 1 hour before you sleep, you'll want to drink this magical drink I'm about to share with you. It's designed to help reduce inflammation while you sleep, so you wake up feeling fresh, energized, and without bloating or inflammation in your body. Let me share the ingredients for this drink and then tell you exactly how to prepare it. Ingredients: chamomile tea. This tea is wonderfully relaxing for your nervous system. It helps promote deep, restful sleep and also reduces inflammation. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains beneficial fatty acids. These essential fats will help regulate your sleep hormones and neurotransmitters in your brain while you sleep. Turmeric powder. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory powerhouse that helps lower inflammation in your body. Sweetener. Optional, a small amount of raw honey or stevia if you prefer a little sweetness. How to prepare this drink? First, heat half a cup of water. Steep chamomile. Turn off the heat, then add your chamomile tea bag to the hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. After steeping, remove the tea bag. Warm coconut milk. Take a saucepan and add half a cup of coconut milk to it. Do not boil the coconut milk, as boiling will destroy its beneficial fatty acids. You just need to warm it gently. Add the steeped chamomile tea to the warmed coconut milk. Then stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder Mix everything together well. Serve. Turn off the heat and pour the mixture into a cup. Optional additions. You can add half a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil on top for extra healthy fats. Finally, add half a teaspoon of raw honey or stevia as your sweetener. Sip slowly. Sip this drink very slowly over the next 5 to 10 minutes. This 1-cup drink is designed to help reduce inflammation for you all night long. It's very important to drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, not right at bedtime. This allows all the ingredients to be properly absorbed into your system and start working in your body before you fall asleep. Before bedtime, wind down with deep breathing. The final crucial step in your evening routine is to actively transition your central nervous system from an alert, stress-responsive state to a restful, repair-ready state. Just before you finally get into bed, dedicate 5 to 10 minutes to targeted relaxation techniques, such as deep diaphragmatic breathing exercises or guided meditation. This practice isn't merely about feeling calm. It's a direct physiological intervention, activating the parasympathetic system. Deep, slow breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, which is the primary driver of the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system. This rapidly lowers your heart rate, decreases cortisol stress hormone production, and signals to the brain that it's safe to power down. Optimizing sleep architecture. By achieving this deeply relaxed state, you enhance the efficiency of your sleep cycles. This specifically improves the amount of time spent in REM sleep, essential for cognitive processing and memory consolidation, and deep sleep, crucial for physical repair and energy restoration, reducing systemic inflammation. High-quality deep and REM sleep is directly linked to the regulation of the immune system. When sleep is optimized, the body is more effective at suppressing pro-inflammatory markers and repairing cellular damage. This means you wake up with lower residual inflammation, feeling genuinely refreshed and regenerated for the day ahead. Think of this as the essential closing ceremony for your day, ensuring your mind and body are perfectly primed for deep, restorative rest. By consistently following this simple nighttime routine, you can significantly reduce inflammation, support your body's natural healing processes, and wake up feeling more energized and refreshed. Let me know in the comments. Are you currently dealing with any symptoms of inflammation when you wake up in the morning? And please try this nighttime routine, especially that 1-cup drink, and come back to let me know if it improved your symptoms. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep getting this great information in the future. Also, share this video with others who can benefit from this information too. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.